52 miles outside Chicago at 124 miles an hour.
Good evening.
It may look like morning, but...
Get our stewardess back there.
Hi, boys. We'll be serving McDonald's again for lunch. Please place your order at 11.
Cessna 7, Lima Juliet, Roger. Continue report of midfield left downwind. Traffic will be at King Air departing southeast IFR off runway 180. He's taking the runway right now. Report midfield.
Reporting midfield, Cessna 7, Lima Juliet.
King Air 96, Illinois. Traffic is a Cessna over the hotels for left downwind. Runway 18. Last reported altitude was 1,800. And cleared for takeoff. I'll call the turn.
Cleared for takeoff. You call turn. 96, Illinois.
544 transition to Waukegan, say again.
Centurion 732 Quebec X-ray, we're now 16 miles southeast of the field. We'll be heading towards the field, turning northbound for Waukegan.
2 Quebec X-ray, overflight north approved, altimeter 3024, say altitude.
2 Quebec X-ray, 3,200.
Okay, you're at 3,200, alright, the face runway 18, wind 25010, altimeter 3024.
3024, we'll call you a 2-mile left base for Alpha Charlie.
4 Romeo Papa will be just a short delay, we'll get you out momentarily, sir.
Well, no problem.
Helicopter 00 Romeo, frequency change, your discretion, good day.
Yeah, we're going to be staying about 2 miles north, then we'll reverse course back southbound shoreline again.
Okay, you're going to come down the shore north of the pier?
Yeah, that's affirmative.
Okay, give me a call at Navy Pier. Traffic at Diamond Jet, inbound from the east for a left base runway 18.
Okay, we're looking for the Diamond Jet. There's the runway.
Diamond Jet 4 Alpha Charlie, traffic to helicopter. It's a little Robinson 2-seater. North of the field's going to be southbound along the shoreline at 1,200. He's still well north of the pier.
Okay, we're looking for him for Alpha Charlie.
Okay, good job, Pat.
Cessna 7 Lima Juliet, right turn, your discretion. How long at the airport today?
We'd like to depart at 2 o'clock.
Okay, as you exit the runway, turn left and taxi to South Lot. Stay with me.
Taxi to South Lot, stay with you, Cessna 7, Lima Juliet.
Inside the building. Huge model train. They're building a big addition onto the parking lot out there, and it's called the Big Dig.
Pat.
Biggs Tower, Cessna 7, Lima Juliet. We're ready for departure, and we'd like to fly 10 miles to the north first and then fly south, if that's okay.
Cessna 7 Lima Juliet, runway 18, cleared for takeoff, left turn on course initially, and then report turning back to the south.
We'll report turning to the south, clear for takeoff on 18, Cessna 7 Lima Juliet.
Double yellow lines running east and west. On the north side of those double yellow lines, you need to park there and face east.
804, okay.
Don't go past the twin Cessna. Or there's somebody over there. Just follow the guy over there.
We're off.
Meigs Tower, 524 is clear north.
So it's 524, frequency change, approval. We'll see you next time.
Alright, good day.
Soldier Field, all that.
Three tower, clear to the Springfield Airport via radar vectors. Newton NA is filed.
1,800 feet, right, Pat? Hit the canal there, Ingrid.
Figure 3 Bravo Golf makes ground. Mix 443, contact departure, good day.
43.
Meigs Tower, Cessna 7.
Hey, it's a party up here.
You have the Salsa Channel at 6,500 feet.
Got a couple Mexicans in the cargo bay here. Hey, Pancho! On the farm.
There's some white caps. Mount Hawley traffic, Cessna 737 Lima Juliet. That could be a little better.
Alright, Pat. Had me sweating there for a minute.